Good morning, children. So in previous classes we discussed about the fractions, isn't it? So now we'll continue the fractions only, multiplications and divisions of the fractions, how to do, which method how to follow, and what is the procedure to do the simplifying of fractions using the multiplications and divisions. If they gave combined multiplications and divisions, how to simplify that, and some word problems that we'll discuss in this chapter about the fractions part 2. Okay, so now here already we discussed in the previous class, the fractions are in different kinds, isn't it? Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fractions, and next about the mixed fractions. So in multiplication they'll give mostly proper, improper and mixed fractions. Okay, so what is the meaning of proper fraction, children? For the proper fractions, the numerator is lesser than denominator, and the improper fraction, the numerator is more than denominator. And mixed fractions, the fraction which is combined of whole number, that will be comes under the mixed fraction. So to find the product, if they gave find the product, just listen children, product, it means it will be comes under the multiplication. How to find the product of the fractions? For example, 1 by 5 into 6 is there. Okay, 1 by 5 into 6, one whole number is there. So like that, if the number is there, what you have to do means, say first number 1 by 5 have to write into the first 6 is there the whole number. This 6 you have to write as a numerator and denominator have to take 1. Okay, 6 as a numerator and down denominator not there any number, so you have to take 1. Now do the multiplication. 1 6 are 6 by 5 ones are 5. So the answer is 5 by 6. If for example, sometimes he will give like this, 4 into 2 by 3. Okay, 4 into 2 by 3. So here also 4 is a whole number. So what you have to do? 4 you have to write as a numerator and denominator 1. 4 by 1 have to write and put into mark 2 by 3 as usual write. Now 4 into 2 by 1 into 3. 4 2s are 8 by 1 3s are 3. Okay, next. For example, if they give mixed fractions, 2 1 by 3 into 1 2 by 5. Okay, like that the numbers are there. What we have to do? How to do this multiplication? So first, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert into improper fraction. Okay, so it means whole number have to divide with the denominator and the product have to add numerator. Okay, and when you are writing in the fraction form, the denominator will not be changed, as it is how to come. It means, for example, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, it is 7. 7 by, denominator is 3 now, so 3 only have to write. Into, next 5 ones are 5. These two you have to multiply. The denominator and the whole number both should be multiplied. 5 ones are 5. For 5 have to add 2. So the fraction will be 7 by 5. Now what you have to do? 7 into 7 by 3 into 5. 7 7s are 49 by 3 5s are 15. 49 by 15 is the answer. Like this, if the mixed fractions are there, mean that you have to convert in this way. So now what you will do means, open your maths classwork and the textbook page number 55. Open textbook page number 55. In that section 1, find the product. Textbook page number 55, section 1, find the product. Find the product. Write the setting. Do the first sum along with me. First sum A and F. These two sums I'll show you in the classwork, and remaining all based on this you have to do in your same maths notebook. Continue how to do it. Okay, the first one will be 6 into 1 by 3 and F sum 3 1 by 5 into 5 by 8. 3 1 by 5 into 5 by 8. Okay, now the first one. After writing this sum, then put answer and write down same sum again. 6 into 1 by 3. Now put is equal to 6 is the whole number. So what you have to do? Change this whole number into the fraction. So the whole number, it will become as a numerator, and denominator you have to write 1. So 6 by 1 into 1 by 3. 6 into 1 by 1 into 3. 6 by 3. 6 1 is 6, 1 into 3, 1 3 is 3. And 6 by 3, this we can be simplified, isn't it? In 3 table, 6 can divide 2 times. So you can do the simplification also. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So directly 2 by 1. If the numerator 1 is there, that number you can be write it as a denominator 1 is there, that number you can write as a whole number. Directly you can write 2. Okay, so this is the procedure to find the product of the fractions. Now coming to the mixed fraction. Same solution. Write down 3 1 by 5 into 5 by 8 is equal to 3 5s are 15. Just now I explained, the whole number and denominator both should be multiplied, and with that product numerator has to add. So 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 into 5 by 8. So here you can do the cross division. Cross division means one denominator and numerator both can be divided, and here also denominator 8 is there and here numerator 16. In 8 table 16 possible, isn't it? 2 times it will be, and in 5 table 5 can be divided 1 time. So directly you can do the simplification. How to do? 5 1s are 5, and here also 5 1s are 5. Next 8 table, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So directly whatever the leftover numerators and denominators are there, that you can write it. 2 into 1 by 1 into 1. 2 1s are 2 by 1 1s are 1. If the denominator 1 is there means directly you can write the whole number 2. So write whole number 2 as a answer. So remaining sums B, C, D, E, G, H. These sums you have to do continually in your maths notebook itself. Okay. So today's homework, complete textbook page number 55, section 1, remaining sums.